Hi everyone, hope all of you doing good. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in this video, we are going to discuss some shortcuts related to competitive exams. Alright, so let's look at the first one here. The sum of two numbers is 44 and the sum of their squares is 100. Then find the product of those two numbers. Okay, I repeat the question. The sum of two numbers is 44 and sum of their squares is 100. Then find the product of those two numbers. Alright. So, which formula we have to use here? A plus B whole square. Okay. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Alright, this is the formula which we are going to use here. Now, we will write down the information given in the question. Alright. The sum of two numbers is 44. So what are those two numbers? Let us suppose A and B are the two numbers. Okay. Now A plus B equals to 44 because sum of two numbers is 44. Now sum of their squares is 100. So sum of their squares is 100. Okay. Now what we have to find out? The product of those two numbers means A into B equals to question mark. Alright. Now let us apply the formula. A plus B is how much? 44 square equals to A square plus B square is 100. Okay. Plus 2AB. Okay. Now 44 into 44 is how much? We have already learned, right, how to do easy multiplication. For 4s are 16. For 4s are 16. Now cross multiplication. 32 plus 1 is 33. So 3 here and 3 here. So 16 plus 3 is 19. 1936. So 44 square is 1936 equals to 100 plus 2AB. Now two AB plus 100 equals to 1936. Both are same, right? So I am writing it like this. So 2AB equals to 1936 minus 100. Now 2AB equals to 1936 minus 100 is nothing but 1836. Alright. Now if this 2 goes this side, it will be 1836 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are 2 ones are 2 eights are. So AB equals to 918. Here is the second example. If the sum of two numbers is 10 and if the sum of squares of those two numbers is 20, then the product of those two numbers is how much? Okay. This is the second question. So which formula we have to use here? A plus B whole square. Okay. What is the formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Alright. So what is the information given in the question? Sum of two numbers. Okay. So A plus B equals to 10. Squares of those, sum of squares of those two numbers is 20. Means A square plus B square equals to 20. Product of those two numbers. means A into B is how much? Okay, the A into B is what we have to find out. Let's apply the formula now. A plus B is how much? 10. 10 square equals to A square plus B square is how much? 20 plus 2AB. Now 10 square means 10 into 10. 20 plus 2AB. Now 10 into 10 is nothing but 100. If this 20 comes this side, minus 20 equals to 2AB. Now 100 minus 20 is 80. 2AB equals to 100 minus 20 is how much? 80. Now AB equals to 80 by 2. 2 ones are 240. 2 ones are 240s are right. So AB equals to how much? 40. Let us look at the third example now. The sum of two numbers is 20 and the product of those two numbers is 8. Find the sum of squares of those numbers. Alright. Now, which formula we have to use here? A plus B whole square again. Okay. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now, what is the information given in the question? Sum of two numbers is 20. Let us suppose A and B are two numbers. Now, sum of two numbers means A plus B equals to 20. Product of those two numbers is 8. Means A into B is 8. Now, what we have to find out? Sum of squares of those two numbers means A square plus B square equals to question mark. Means A square plus B square value is what we have to find out. Now let us apply the formula. A plus B is how much? 20. 20 square equals to A square plus B square plus 2 into the value of AB is 8. So 8. 20 square means 20 into 20. A square plus B square. 2 into 8 is 16. 20 into 20 is what? 400 equals to A square plus B square plus 16. Now A square plus B square plus 16 equals to 400. Now A square plus B square equals to 400 minus 16. A square plus B square equals to let us see what is 400 minus 16. 483. 384. Alright. So the value of A square plus B square is 384. Here is the last example. The sum of two numbers is 40 and their product is 20. Find the absolute difference between those two numbers. Okay. Absolute difference or difference both are same. Okay. So don't get confused if you look at such terms. Alright. So the sum of two numbers is 40 and the product is 20. Now we have to find the difference between those two numbers. Alright. As we have to find the difference of those two numbers, formula which we have to use here is a minus b whole square. Alright, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright, now let us write down the information given in the question. So the sum of two numbers means a plus b equals to 40. Product of those two numbers is 20, means a into b is 20. Now we have to find the difference of those two numbers, means a minus b equals to how much. Okay, now we can write this formula like a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab, right? Plus 2ab minus 4ab is nothing but minus 2ab. So I am writing it like this because I can write it like this. Okay, now I will apply the formula. What is the value of a plus b? 40 minus 4 into, what is the value of ab? 20. Forty into 40 is nothing but 1600 minus 4 into 20 is 80. Alright, now 1600 minus 80 is nothing but 1520. A minus b, if this square goes this side, it would be 15201 by 2, right? So what is the value? This is the value. So which is the correct option from this? Option A is the correct answer. I hope you have liked this video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to know any new topic, do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely discuss that. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.